In recognition of his contribution to the engineering society as a past president and his role in the development of the FCT, the Nigerian Institution of Civil Engineers organized the third Engineer Umar Jibrin Distinguished Annual Public Lecture in his honor. The lecture, which was well attended by stakeholders in the engineering profession, friends and associates in Abuja, had as its theme Emerging Issues, Challenges and Solutions to Flooding in a Changing Environment, FCT in Focus. In their lectures, the guest speaker, Professor Onemayin Jimo and Engineer Clement Ize, the DG Hydrological Services Agency, said the FCT is at a high risk of flooding and shared ideas on mitigation.
Vegetation degradation is already over 30%. And when you have this degradation, what is the effect? You have high peak flow.
If we're not tampering with our environment, there is no reason to have the kind of disaster we witness year in, year out in Nigeria, because the drainage system is quite super compared to so many other countries.
Wife of the honoree, Hajia Hawa Jibrin, and other guests in their goodwill messages gave insight into her husband's commitment to the FCT project.
They've been working for Abuja as a developing city. He knows the master plan of this Abuja so well. He knows what will happen if Abuja is not taken care of, particularly when it comes to engineering.
The honoree, Engineer Umar Jibrin, spoke on the significance of the theme of the event.
The topic really is very apt, and we know that whatever it is we're doing, we're looking at Abuja, because Abuja is the rallying point and is the reference for all of our country. This is our capital. If we get things correctly as it should be.
Amak, Gwagwalada, Buhari and Kwali area councils were earmarked as the high flood risk areas in the FCT. Francisca Oga, ITV News.